The story is everywhere. The machines are coming, they say. AI will soon do everything. Write our laws, drive our cars, even create our art. The narrative paints a future where humanity is obsolete, reduced to complex gadgets waiting to be replaced. This myth makes technology seem magical, and its creators like wizards. But look closer. AI is a tool, not a sorcerer. It mirrors the data we feed it, parroting patterns it learns from us. It does not think, feel, or possess a self. The idea that this tool will replace its creator misunderstands both. The fear of replacement is seductive because it simplifies reality into a battle, us versus them. But the real story is about how we use these tools to amplify our humanity or flatten it. The myth wants you to feel small, to see your quirks and emotions as bugs. But these are features, the source of our irreplaceable value. Let's dismantle the myth. We are not just data processors waiting for an upgrade. The most important question isn't what AI will do to us, but what we will do with AI. It's about preserving space for human dignity, creativity, and the unpredictable spark no algorithm can capture. The future isn't written in code, it's written in our choices. We are not ghosts in the machine, we are the builders, and we decide what the machine is for. Don't accept a diminished view of yourself. Technology is powerful, but it's not destiny. Our value isn't in being replaced, but in being irreplaceably human. The myth of obsolescence is a distraction. The real power lies in our ability to choose, to create, to surprise. AI is a tool. Let's use it wisely. The future is not about replacement, but about partnership. Our quirks, our creativity, our unpredictability. These are our strengths. The machine reflects us, but it cannot become us. We are not waiting to be replaced. We are here to shape what comes next. AI recognizes patterns. It learns from vast libraries of human data to predict what comes next. It's a master of extrapolation, following rules embedded in the data. But humans are the pattern breakers. We leap off the path, inventing new games, new worlds, new ideas. AI can optimize a system, but it can't question if the system should exist. Our progress is a story of broken patterns, radical departures, not logical next steps. AI is a brilliant collage artist, remixing what we've already made. Humanity is the source of genuine novelty. We create the raw material. We originate the patterns. The pattern follower cannot replace the pattern creator. Our unpredictability is the signal of true intelligence. We are not bound by data. We imagine what's never existed. AI extends the lines. We redraw the map. The divide is fundamental, replication versus creation. Our leaps of faith drive history forward. AI can only follow. We can invent. The future belongs to the unpredictable. That's what makes us human. Picture a coder stuck on a problem. AI, trained on all code, suggests only what's been tried. But the human has a flash of insight, a leap beyond the data. This isn't calculation. It's creativity, intuition, and lived experience. AI can optimize, but it can't originate the breakthrough. Now think of an artist. AI can generate a technically perfect sad song, but it's hollow. The human artist draws from real heartbreak, from memory and emotion. The crack in her voice, the unexpected chord. These come from her story. The audience connects because it feels true, not just plausible. AI imitates emotion, humans transmit it. One is an echo, the other is the original voice. True art is a testament to a life lived, not data analyzed. The coder's leap and the artist's soul, these are human gifts. AI can assist, but it cannot replace the source. Our breakthroughs become the new patterns for AI to learn. But the spark, that's ours alone. Creativity is not remixing, it's living, feeling, leaping. That's the soul of human creation. We're told unpredictability is a flaw, but it's our superpower. Machines are valued for consistency, but humans thrive in chaos. When logic fails, it's the human hunch that finds a way. Our wildcards, gut feelings, acts of kindness, forgiveness, break the model. AI is the ultimate predictable opponent. Humans are the beautiful chaos. Our capacity for surprise keeps us free. Cherish your messiness, protect your spontaneity. These are qualities AI cannot replicate. They're not based on past data, but on the potential for a new future. Our freedom is in our unpredictability. In a world of algorithms, be gloriously unpredictable. It's not failure, it's freedom. AI excels at calculation processing data at superhuman speed. But consciousness isn't just information, it's experience. It's the warmth of sunlight, the ache of sadness, the thrill of an idea. AI doesn't feel the weight of a decision, it calculates outputs. When faced with moral dilemmas, AI refers to frameworks, not feelings. A doctor's choice isn't just data, it's empathy, compassion, and dignity. This is not computation, it's moral judgment. AI follows programming. Humans can question theirs. We reflect, change, and act on principle, not just logic. Grace, forgiveness, sacrifice, these are conscious acts. To reduce them to computation is to miss what makes us human. AI gives answers. Humans ask if they're right. Our consciousness is the difference. The machine can process, but only we can feel. The heart of humanity is not in calculation, but in choice. That's what sets us apart. AI can mimic art, write poetry, compose music, but it's a performance, not creation. True creativity comes from a life lived, not a database. An artist metabolizes existence, not just remixes what's seen. AI has no memories, no heartbreak, no wonder. Its creations are collages, not new stories. Art moves us because it's a transmission from one soul to another. AI can show a sunset. A human can make you feel it. The machine imitates form, we give it substance. The substance is our lived experience. The ghost in the machine is just an echo. The soul in the human is the source. That's why human art will always matter. The story of human versus machine is a dead end. The real future is partnership, not replacement. AI is a tool for thought amplification, not a rival. Like the telescope for astronomers or the synthesizer for musicians, AI expands our reach. It frees us from drudgery, letting us focus on what only humans can do. The question isn't if AI will replace us, but how we'll use it to become more ourselves. Embrace your uniqueness, your unpredictability, emotion, and lived experience. These are your greatest assets in the age of AI. See AI as a power-up, not a threat. Learn it, play with it, bend it to your will. The future belongs to those who partner with machines, not fear them. Your value is not diminishing. It is and always will be irreplaceable.